How to import Spotify playlist to Lyra. 1. Open the Spotify application. 2. Select Library. 3. Select the playlist you want to import to Lyra. 4. Select the icon as in the video. 5. Select Copy Link. It's been copied. 6. Open the Lyra application. 7. Select Library. 8. Select Import Playlist. 9. Select Import from Spotify. 10. Paste the Spotify playlist link that you copied earlier. 11. Select Load Playlist. 12. Select Save. Success, your Spotify playlist has been imported to Lyra. Don't forget to like and subscribe.